Which are there more of in the US? Job openings or unemployed workers? Yes, there are 902,000 more job openings than unemployed workers. Here you can see there's an overlap. Strong quit rate. Workers are more confident that they can find another job if they quit. They're not getting laid off. If there's so many jobs out there, who's hiring? Construction. Number 1, manufacturing. And number 3 is professional and business services. Sears, loss of 150,000 jobs. To quote Simon Black, it's not Sears that's in trouble. Last August, we said these retailers' bankruptcies could be one of the many things that could spark the next recession. But it's not just the retailers that exist to lax creditors. Around 35% of companies in the Russell 2000 index haven't earned profit in the last 12 months. So far this year, 83% of the companies that have gone public this year in the US are actually losing money. And a full 14% of companies in the S&P 500 can't cover their interest on their debt. Spirit of Halloween. Does anyone know what happened on Thursday the 11th? The Dow dropped 3.2%, the S&P dropped 3.3%, NASDAQ dropped 4.1%, FANGs dropped 8%, and even in Tokyo, the Nikkei 225 dropped -4%. Anyone know why this happened? Trade wars could definitely be putting pressure on the economy. Fed raised hikes with one more to come in December, but we were at all-time highs not too long ago, and it could just be a natural correction. If you look long-term trends, we're still up here in the grand scope of things. Historically, it's not a big enough drop to start worrying that, oh my gosh, a recession has started. And others do think it's the beginning of a bear market. And others think we have one more big rise to go. We don't know, but there are more potential negatives than positives at this point. Other thing to look out for is the midterm elections, right? That's going to be a wild card.